Wow. I know. I know. I know.
2,000 years later.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow. That is so weird to say. So if you guys are my subscribers from 4 years ago when I first started this channel, my freshman year of high school, I love you. Like, thank you so much for still being here. That's crazy. And if you're new, hello. My name's Whitney. Yeah, this is my YouTube channel. I'm now a freshman in college. And I started, like I said, I started this channel 4 years ago when I was a little
baby freshman in high school because I wanted to do makeup, and I did that on this channel for a little bit, for about 2 years, but I kind of just stopped, got busy, you know, life.
But I'm back. But yes, I'm back. Now, I really would like to expand this channel to be makeup, lifestyle, health, a lot of fitness, and you know, I would just like it to represent my actual life. I am now with two amazing brands. One of them is named Just Strong. It is a fairly new brand about basically the empowerment of women, and it was started by women, run by women. And it's clothes only for women, but they have slogans like high standards, low squats, just strong. They focus on making you a strong woman mentally, physically. So that brand reached out to me to be one of their brand ambassadors, and they sell workout clothes, so that's really awesome. And another brand that I'm the student ambassador for is Gymshark. I really love, most of you, if you're into fitness, that kind of thing, you most likely heard of Gymshark. But yeah, I reached out to them. I harassed them. They were kind of just like, sure, like you can wear our clothes, that's awesome, you know? So yeah, I do that too. So those are probably the two brands I'm going to talk about the most, just because those are the most clothing I have. But I want this channel to be reviews, me giving you guys workouts, me like walking through like what I eat, still showing you guys makeup tips, how to blend eyeshadow, like anything, like everything I do, because I do so much. Like maybe I can do like a day in the life of a college student. I don't know, but I've missed YouTube. YouTube was a really cool outlet for me to have. So it'll be really great to have that again. I think it's really necessary in college to have something for me to do. My thing so far has been going to the gym. That's something that I've come to love since I stopped doing this channel. I really threw myself into fitness and working out and that healthy lifestyle. And I'm really excited to see where this channel can go, and I hope you guys are excited too. I know we're all happy that my balls have finally dropped and that I sound like this and not like this.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
So yeah, I would like to thank God as well, as I know you guys are thanking him for this change. The glow up, wow, like makeup. So I just wanted to make this really short, address the fact that I'm back, you know, instead of just throwing out a video and being like, hey guys, watch my video, like explaining that I was away, but like now I'm back. I'm gonna really challenge myself for this new year to try and film when I get back to school and to add it into my routine, because I know college kids do it. Like so many college students have YouTubes, like I can do it too. I just have to really commit to it and stay consistent. So I'm really excited for that. Let me know what you guys want to see. Like this channel's for you and for me to share what I've learned, because YouTube has been such a great source of learning throughout my life, throughout my fitness journey, throughout my makeup journey. So much of my life I can ascribe to YouTube. So if my channel or one of my videos can do that for someone else in any way, that's all I'm really here for, you know. But also just to support my brands, promote them. And honestly, every time I buy something, I look up a review for it. So kind of just to add to that pool that there is on the internet for different items, especially gym clothes, and especially for like thicker girls. Like I'm not a stick, I can tell you that. So I have like a lot of tips to share about that, what gym clothes work best for a more curvy kind of body type and stuff like that. But thank you so much for watching. If you sat through this little video, I really so much appreciate it. Follow me at my Instagram at Whitney_Clarke, and my workout fitness Instagram, where I talk about fit tip. I post workouts, meals, just so much stuff that like I can get out on Instagram faster than YouTube. So follow me there if you guys want to see like my fitness journey, or you're interested in fitness or health or anything like that. It's at workout_with. Both of those will be linked down below. And I'll also link my codes down below for those brands I was talking to you about. But don't worry, more will come. I'll talk about them more, and you guys can hopefully get to love them as much as I do. So once again, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, spread the word. And yeah, thank you so much. Mwah. Bye guys.